Hai, masih bersama saya Mr. Z bicara. Tentu saja bicara tentang kebenaran berdasarkan fakta, data, dan realita. Sungguh sangat luar biasa ya. Saya merasa bangga sebagai rakyat Indonesia. Pidato Presiden terpilih Prabowo Subianto di dialog internasional ya di Singapura. Ini menunjukkan peran Indonesia terhadap perdamaian dunia. Dan Prabowo mengucapkan pernyataannya dengan lantang dan disambut oleh para hadirin dari berbagai dunia, dari berbagai negara. Kini saya merasa bahwa negara Indonesia di masa yang akan datang akan menjadi sorotan dunia karena Prabowo pemimpin yang memiliki multi talenta dengan kemampuan strateginya bisa mempengaruhi dunia. Mari kita simak pidato Prabowo Subianto yang mengagumkan, yang menjadi sorotan internasional. Langsung.
It's a delight that we have him here to deliver a special address, and I'd invite him to take the podium and speak in the special address to the 21st Shangri-La Dialogue. Bapak Prabowo. Thank you very much.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellencies, fellow participants at the Shangri-La Dialogue 2024, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished participants, good friends, it is indeed a great honor for me to stand for the third consecutive time in the Shangri-La Dialogue here in Singapore. We gather here as leaders, as policymakers in the defense, security, and political field to engage in meaningful discussions which are crucial for enhancing peace and stability in our connected world. Sometimes we feel reluctant to attend these occasions because there is a danger that we do not communicate honestly and do not interact faithfully. We state our positions and we do not want to listen to opinions of others. However, today we are in a particularly sensitive moment in history. We are witnessing an increase in geopolitical tensions and continuous challenges of multilateralism due to the gravity and intensity of open conflict, blatant violations of international law, and the continued widening trust deficits between states. Distinguished participants, friends, now there is a lot of talk about the rule of law, rules-based order, etc., etc. But the geopolitical tension, the conflicts, the incidents that are happening as we sit here gives rise to disillusionment amongst many countries, especially the global south. Indonesia is of the opinion that in this world of ours that's getting smaller and smaller,
Luar biasa.
collaboration, cooperation, compromise, respect for the national interest, the core concerns of others are very important in pursuing peace, security, stability, and prosperity. We are convinced that only dialogue and cooperation can be the effective tools for achieving these goals in our planet, which in reality has become smaller and smaller. Collaboration is the only way to achieve prosperity and harmony. Indonesia is firmly committed to deepening inclusive dialogue, concrete collaboration, as well as upholding international laws, especially respect for the national sovereignty of all states and the territorial integrity as enshrined in the United Nations Charter. Excellencies,
Tidak ada kata-kata yang pantas kecuali mengagumkan dan membanggakan. Inilah Prabowo Subianto. Saya alhamdulillah saya pendukung beliau ya. Dan kali ini saya sangat bangga dan kagum dengan beliau. Ini luar biasa. Indonesia jelas akan menjadi diperhitungkan di dunia ya, baik dari negara-negara barat ya, Asia Selatan ya, Timur Tengah, Eropa. Ini luar biasa. Terima kasih untuk Pak Prabowo, Anda telah membangkitkan semangat kami sebagai bangsa Indonesia.